So in this video now we'll try to learn how to clear that list element. Once we'll assign all value for that list, then how we can clear it out. So let's move to now Visual Studio. Okay. So now here now if I go ahead and do that print of L, okay. So we'll get that list of all those elements whatever present in list. Okay. So now what I can go ahead and do it now. I wanted to clear that. So if I go ahead and put that L dot clear, okay, and then if I go ahead and run this one, so what it will display, basically we wanted to clear all those elements, so we wanted to make that list as null. So if I go ahead and run that, so it will clear all those list of that element. So if we need to clear any place or anywhere, we can use that clear function, then it will clear that list of that element. I hope you like this video.